Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Once you open the app, you should see the device page for your Galaxy Watch FE. On this page, find the menu button right here. Tap on it. Then tap on remove device, select the watch you want to remove and tap on remove all, then tap on remove. And the watch will be removed from the Galaxy wearable application. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if your watch was here on the list of paired devices. It's not here, so we're fine. We can close the settings and the app. And at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. You can even tell on the watch you have this icon that tells you that it's disconnected from a phone. And if you want to connect it to different phone, you will need to either reset it or disconnect it. So basically we need to go to settings on our watch. Find the general option and tap on resetting, basically reset it. Or if you don't want to lose data from your watch, you can tap on transfer to watch to new phone. And basically it will let you to connect your watch to different phone without losing most of the data, like this. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.